Oh my god, are you seeing this? The cameras, the gowns, the drama, welcome to The Devil Wears Prada, to New York Premiere red carpet, and honey, fashion did not come to play tonight. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah, and if you're new here, hi, hello. Stay because we are about to break down every single look from tonight's Devil Wears Prada to NYC Premiere red carpet. And trust me, this is the best dressed celebrities fashion review you will not want to miss. This video contains my personal fashion opinions. Check the description for full disclosures. Okay, let's dive in. First look. Anne Hathaway, wearing Louis Vuitton. Okay, first up, Anne Hathaway in Louis Vuitton, and she is giving us pure red carpet drama. Or she arrives in a sculptural crimson gown that is a masterclass in modern glamour. The sharply structured bodice, breathtaking. The sweeping high-volume skirt, it creates a silhouette that feels both theatrical and impeccably controlled, while that rich satin finish gives the whole look a luminous couture-level polish. Styled with understated jewelry and matching red heels, the ensemble never competes with itself, allowing the bold architecture of the dress to remain the focal point. Next look. Meryl Streep, wearing Givenchy by Sarah Burton, FW26. Now this is a statement. Meryl Streep in Givenchy by Sarah Burton, FW26, a study in commanding minimalism with maximum impact. The sweeping scarlet cape gown brings instant drama to the carpet. Its fluid volume and clean lines create a silhouette that feels both regal and fiercely modern. Black opera gloves, pointed boots, and oversized sunglasses sharpen the effect, adding a bold edge that keeps this monochrome statement from feeling overly precious. Next look. Emily Blunt, wearing Schiaparelli SS26 Couture. Oh, she did not come to be ignored. Emily Blunt in Schiaparelli SS26 Couture, capturing high drama with an unmistakably ethereal finish. The sculpted, gilded bodice brings a surreal couture edge, while the frothy ivory tulle skirt softens the silhouette with movement and romance, creating a striking balance between structure and fantasy. That floral neckline detail, a signature touch of theatricality without overwhelming the look, and the sleek beauty styling keeps everything refined rather than overly ornate. Next look. Stanley Tucci. Okay, can we talk about Stanley Tucci for a second? Because he proves once again, impeccable tailoring never misses. His look is understated, but extremely effective. A sharply cut dark velvet jacket, crisp white shirt, refined pattern tie, and perfectly balanced trousers that give the ensemble quiet authority. The sunglasses add just the right note of signature cool, and the overall fit feels polished, effortless, and deeply confident rather than overworked. Next look. Lady Gaga, wearing Saint Laurent FW16RTW. She walks in, and the whole carpet stops. On Lady Gaga in Saint Laurent FW16RTW, making a compelling case for the power of restraint. A sleek black mermaid gown that delivers maximum impact through precision rather than excess. The sharp sweetheart neckline, body-skimming fit, and dramatic flared hem create a silhouette that feels timeless, cinematic, and unmistakably commanding. While the pared-back styling lets the gown's sculptural elegance speak for itself. Her platinum hair and cool, controlled beauty look add to the effect, giving the ensemble a polished severity that reads as pure star power. Next look. Heidi Klum. Okay, Heidi Klum is bringing something different to this carpet, and I am here for it. She arrives in a seafoam-toned gown, trading overt drama for movement, texture, and ease. The high neckline and sweeping cape-like drape create an elongated silhouette, while the pleated, leaf-like patterning gives the look dimension and a quietly luxurious finish. Its strength is in the balance. The color feels fresh and ethereal. The cut is bold without being harsh, and the overall styling keeps everything light and effortless. Next look. Russell Wilson and Ciara, wearing Romeo Hunta, FW26 RTW, a power couple has entered the chat. Russell Wilson and Ciara deliver a sharp study in contrast, and Ciara, she is turning Romeo Hunta FW26 RTW into a full fashion moment. Her sweeping denim coat, cinched at the waist and worn over a crisp mini silhouette, and gives the look a bold street luxury edge, while pointed pumps and a sparkling choker keep it polished and red carpet ready. Beside her, Wilson anchors the pairing in sleek all-black tailoring, his clean lines and dark accessories providing the perfect visual counterpoint to her statement-making denim. Next look. Madelaine Petsch, wearing Georges Hobeika SS 26RTW, Jimmy Choo, Effie jewelry. Oh, she looks like she walked straight out of a fairy tale. Madelaine Petsch in Georges Hobeika SS 26RTW, and this is beautifully romantic. The icy lilac tone works especially well with the elaborate beading and embroidery, giving the slim silhouette a luminous, almost storybook quality, while the subtle bow detail at the neckline adds just the right touch of sweetness. But styled with metallic Jimmy Choo heels and Effie jewelry, the overall effect stays polished and cohesive without overpowering the dress's ornate craftsmanship. Next look. Paige DeSorbo. Okay, Paige DeSorbo is giving us classic cocktail hour glamour, and she looks absolutely stunning. The black strapless dress is all about structure. A sculpted bodice defines the waist beautifully, while the full T-length skirt adds volume and a touch of old Hollywood drama without feeling costume-like. Paired with sleek black pointed pumps and restrained jewelry, the styling keeps the focus exactly where it should be, on the strong silhouette and confident simplicity of the dress. Next look. Barbara and Dylan Sprouse another couple moment. And this one is giving me editorial couple goals. Barbara and Dylan Sprouse strike an effective balance between classic tailoring and contemporary edge. Barbara's look stands out for its smart tension between masculine and feminine elements. The oversized blazer and crisp white shirting bring sharp structure, while the fringed black skirt adds movement, texture, and a subtle sense of drama. Her snakeskin heels inject just the right amount of attitude. Beside her, Dylan keeps things clean and streamlined in a black suit with an open collar white shirt and sleek boots, projecting an effortless cool. Next look. Sofia Carson. Okay, Sofia Carson is giving razor-sharp elegance, and I am obsessed with this look. The impeccably tailored black suit, styled with a crisp white shirt and oversized ivory bow, feels both timeless and fashion-forward, striking that rare balance between masculine structure and polished femininity. A jeweled brooch adds just the right note of old-school glamour, while the elongated trousers and sleek silhouette keep the overall effect modern, lean, and commanding. Next look. Jasmine Tookes delivers the kind of red carpet simplicity that is far harder to pull off than it looks. And she pulls it off effortlessly. In this vivid strapless column gown, the impact comes from immaculate fit, saturated color, and clean, uninterrupted lines that elongate the silhouette beautifully. The softly draped neckline adds just enough texture, while the restrained styling, a delicate necklace, a sleek beauty look, and pointed pumps keeps the overall effect sharp and polished rather than overworked. Next look. Coco Rocha. Oh wow, Coco Rocha is turning this carpet into pure fashion theater, and I cannot look away. The exaggerated ball gown silhouette already brings major couture drama, but it is the oversized black and white spotted pattern and plush texture that make the ensemble feel truly editorial, almost like wearable performance art. The cinched black waist gives the volume definition, while her sharp pose, swept back hair, and striking makeup amplify the high impact effect rather than softening it. Next look. Simone Ashley, wearing Prada. Simone Ashley in Prada. This is a sharp, unexpected take on red carpet dressing, and it pays off. A vivid acid green satin finish paired with a playful high-low silhouette that feels both youthful and editorial. The strapless mini front keeps the look clean and modern, while the dramatic floor-length back panel adds just enough runway drama to elevate it beyond a simple party dress. Styled with metallic pointed pumps and minimal jewelry, the ensemble stays sleek and intentional, letting the color and silhouette do all the work. Next look. Winnie. One of the most commanding fashion moments of the night. Winnie Harlow, merging high glamour polish with unmistakable edge. Well, the heavily embellished cropped top, studded with gold and jewel-like reflective detailing, brings armor-like intensity and couture-level texture, while the sleek black column skirt and extended train ground the look in pure elegance. The sculptural peplum detail at the waist adds shape and drama without disrupting the clean line of the silhouette, creating a striking balance between opulence and restraint. Next look. Lucy Liu, wearing George Hobeika FW26R TW Ahikosa bag. And finally, Lucy Liu, closing out this red carpet in George Hobeika FW26R TW, delivering sheer elegance with a dark, intricately embellished edge. The delicate black embroidery and netted paneling give the gown a sense of texture and depth, while the fringed applique framing the bodice and hips adds dimension and a subtle couture flourish. Styled simply with a sleek ahikosa bag, fine jewelry, and minimal black sandals, the look stays focused and refined, allowing the craftsmanship of the dress to take center stage. Okay, so that is my best dressed list from the Devil Wears Prada to New York Premiere. But now I want to know, do you agree? Drop your top 3 in the comments right now. Tell me who I missed. Tell me who you think should have made the list. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know your take on tonight's Devil Wears Prada 2 Premiere fashion. And subscribe if you want more red carpet reviews, celebrity style analysis, and fashion deep dives. We are covering all the major events this season, and you do not want to miss a single one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay stylish,